Earnings season is going on in full swing, and Strides Shasun third quarter earnings have been released. Slightly on the softer side. Let's talk about all of that and what went by this quarter with Mr. Shashank Sinha, MD of Strides Shasun, joining us on the show. Sir, your margin came in slightly on the softer side today. This time around, revenues were almost flat. What actually happened this quarter? What are the highlights?
Hi. If you read our press release, there are many moving parts, and we have tried to, we have tried to put together what the performance of the continuing business was. Why I say moving parts? Because, as you know, we have announced demerger of our API business. So this is excluding that. We also divested our India brands business. This is excluding that. We have been making upfront investments in the consumer healthcare business, so we are adjusting for that. If you look at all of that, our EBITDA for quarter 3 was 144 crores. We believe this is a reasonably strong performance. If you look at quarter 2, the same number was 105 crores. The same number was about 120 crores. And if you look at quarter 1, it was about 80, just north of 80 crores. So 80 has gone to 120, which has gone to 144 crores. So it's good sequential earnings growth. We are pleased with that. If you look at the revenue side, yes, the revenues, there are two parts to it, the regulated markets and the emerging and institutional market. We have had very good growth in the regulated markets, and we have indicated that in our press release, and that is on the back of new product launches. Our institutional business, there's really been a timing issue. As you know, the institutional business is based on tender awards. We have received our awards. We have got our share of the tender business, but the timing of the orders is out by about another quarter. So that is missing from this quarter and will be back in the first quarter of FY19. So I believe structurally the business has performed sequentially on a strong footing, and we are actually quite pleased with the way our regulated markets focus is playing out.
Right. Yes, clearly adjusting for that operationally, clearly the strong quarter. What would the monitorables be from here on, from the management side? What are the areas of focus?
Well, monitorables is really, you should look at the continuing business. That is what is going to be the repeatable business model, and that has been one of the other objectives of our strategy, which is to create a repeatable business model. What we have reported is the base, the 144 crore EBITDA, and the revenue of 753 crores. That is the base on which we should compare future performance. And we believe that we will continue to have reasonable earnings growth in the future quarters on this base.
You're doing closing today? Right, Mr. Sinha, good luck in the coming quarters. Thanks very much for joining us. That was Shashank Sinha explaining how the quarter went by and the focus area